Hi friends, welcome back to channel SciTech Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually buy the MI Linux device for about 20,499 rupees from the MI website. The main reason why I'm trying to suggest you to visit the MI website is because right now in the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale, there is no offer on the MI Linux smartphone. Yes, there is no offer at all. You cannot use any banks, I mean any kind of HDFC banks, nothing at all. There's no discount at all right now available on the MI Linux device. They completely removed. So only the offer was available for the Prime sale users only on the 2nd of October, but from 3rd of October you cannot get any kind of bank discount offers in the Amazon website. So that's the reason I'm getting plenty of comments on the MI Linux device, particularly as you can see exactly. So these are the comments which I'm getting, and right now the MI Linux price has been increased to 27,000, and it looks like they gave only 6,000 credit card offered for the Prime users. Yes, exactly, they gave only for the Prime membership users. That's on second sale, and that's the reason a lot of users are actually angry on Amazon. And now we do have another option, which is the MI website. So now using the MI website, you can actually get the further discount as well. So up to 6,000 rupees you can actually get the discount, with final price coming up to 20,499. That is what the few of the users they did suggest as well, and in this video I'll try to show you how you can actually do that. So first thing, you need to go to the MI website, which is an official MI website, and once you're in there you need to have the SBI credit card. Yes, so every website has their own kind of bank system. So this MI website has got the SBI credit card. By using the SBI credit card, you can actually get the 10% instant discount is available. 10%, as you can see. Let me try to do the math. So 26,999 is the actual price, and if you have the SBI credit card, you can actually get the 10% instant discount. So 2,000 minus, and the next is 3,000 off on the prepaid orders. That's also available, as you can see. And let's do the math again. 3,000. So overall the price came down to 21,999 rupees. And there is one more thing which is going on regarding the 1,500 additional discount with a reward from the MI coupon is also available, which you can actually use it. So which makes sense, like 1,500 minus if you try to do, so 20,499 rupees you can actually buy the MI Linux device directly from the MI website officially. That's how it's possible. And one more quick note, if you have the SBI credit card, so let me just show you, there is another things to know. And if you try to pay the non-EMI, so non-EMI you can actually get only 1,750 discount. If you pay using the EMI, then you can actually get the 22,000 rupees discount. So installments, if you pay using the installments, 2,000 rupees discount. Without installments and direct payment, only 1,750 is a discount available. That's the one thing you should definitely know. So EMI is, maybe you can use installments to pay to get a little bit kind of slight discount in case if you want, you can do that for the extra money. That's it. So that's it friends. In this way you'll be able to buy the MI Linux device from the official website for 20,499, and 1,500 MI coupon you can actually use anything to buy from the MI website. Anyway, you'll be buying some kind of power banks, or maybe MI watch, or maybe some kind of things. You can definitely buy case or something like that. You can buy from the MI website, and you can use that. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and in this way you can actually buy it. And meanwhile, signing off friends, and don't forget to comment below what are other phones you're looking after to buy, and stay tuned for more updates. Bye.